In this video, we will show you the recommended setting for doing a SC-APC splice-on connector for the fiber-to-the-home application. As you see, my screen is set for single-mode fiber, a 60mm shrink sleeve, and 900 micron fiber to strip. The thing that needs to be changed to set this to do a splice-on connector is the heat setting, which is now set for 60mm shrink sleeve. Simply select the main menu, arrow over to the heat menu, select that, scroll down to number 10, which is the recommended setting, select it, escape out, back to your screen, and now you are set for 1.10.2, which is the recommended setting for the SC-APC splice-on connector for all fiber-to-the-home applications.